We're really excited to be partnering with Sydney Living Museums and really being involved in this amazing exhibition and installation here at Hyde Park Barracks. Given that we've got such a long history and expertise in display and technology, and with their expertise in around the arts, collectively together, we are creating something really immersive and special.
Daniel's vision was that it appear like a blade sticking out of the ground. So the structural side of it also needed to tie together with the electronics. So we needed to look at the whole thing as one cohesive solution. It needed to all appear slender and elegant and seamless. Working together with the structural designers, we managed to come up with a solution where all of the support structure is effectively hidden so that it really has that elegance that the artist was looking for.
Certainly LED was the product of choice that we first spoke about when we first met with Daniel and Sydney Living Museums, because we wanted to create the biggest visual impact, and certainly LED with the brightness of that particular product and the ability to create something really customisable and unique really fit the brief and Daniel's vision.
The display is made up of a number of half-metre by half-metre panels. So we got 9 metres wide, so we've got 18 panels wide and we've got 14 panels high. Really the flexibility of the display to kind of take up the shape that he wanted is kind of key to it too. With a Pro E026D, that gives us 2.6mm pixel spacing. So it means for a display of this type, we can have a very close viewing distance for the audience because there's a good relationship between that pixel spacing and how close you can get to the screen. So for a screen like the Pro E026, you can get within around 3 meters of the display and not see the individual dots.
Yeah, we certainly had to make sure that we didn't put up something that looked like a structure as such. It had to fit the actual amenities really well and really just showcase the digital artwork, which is what we were here to do. And I think what we've delivered has really met and exceeded all expectations, delivering this the most amazing artwork, delivering the most ultimate visual experience.